So I believe I found a massive opportunity and gap in crypto. So if you are a crypto project, if you are a crypto marketing agency, or if you are a KOL or crypto investor, this video is for you. Pay attention. We have massive opportunity here, especially if you believe the AI and crypto narrative. So make sure you pay attention because we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Britta. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Britta.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul and welcome to the Crypto Factor. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. So take a look around, see if you like it, and maybe you want to subscribe and hit that bell notification button down below if you like what you see. Now, if you've been in crypto for a while, if you've been in crypto for some time, you will have noticed that some things, they really suck. For example, marketing and sales, it sucks. Now, it's getting better. I mean, I've been in crypto since 2017. It is getting better, but it still sucks. And there's a reason for this. There is a reason. You have to understand that crypto is fast moving. It's very new and it's moving fast. And even though crypto has great developers, some of the best in the world, great cybersecurity experts, innovators, thinkers, they suffer from sales experts and marketeers. Because it's so new, there was a lot of demand, but not enough supply. I mean, I pivoted in 2017 into crypto because I saw the trend and I took the risk. But most people, they're not really into it. Now you're seeing some professionals start coming in. But back then, unheard of. And bear with me, because if you are a crypto company, if you are an agency, if you are a KOL, but especially if you are a crypto investor, you want to watch this video. I'm making a bit of an explanation here, but believe me, you want to watch this video. But till this day, there's a lack of marketing. Companies are going for big influencers, most of them which their subscribers are fake, as well as their views, and they don't understand influencer marketing all that well, because with influencer marketing, you need nano, micro, and large influencers. You want the large influencers for credibility and the nano and micro influencers, or the micro and nano influencers, to push your product harder at a less of a price, less expenses, but also to gain die-hard fans. Because those nano influencers, they have something that big channels don't have or lost, and that is engagement. And if you give them the opportunity, they will appreciate you so much, they will push your product forever. Let alone a lot of these nano and micro influencers, guess what they become? Huge influencers. So you want to be taking a venture capitalist approach when it comes to your marketing, just like you would do in your crypto portfolio. This is something we talk about on the channel a lot. But that's kind of hard to do because you don't know which ones are good, you don't know which ones are bad, you don't know what you're supposed to pay. It's crazy. So what if you could take away the middleman, just like you would in crypto, but replace it with AI, so you have a trend stack of concept here. You have AI doing the work for you, and it's decentralized. If this would work, this would be amazing. And that's where today's sponsor comes in. And believe me, you really want to check this out. This is quite interesting. See, Chirply lets you get in touch with your audience or find your audience using micro and nano influencers. And there is no middleman here. This is AI driven. So basically, you use Chirply, which is the world's first automated peer-to-peer all-in-one influencer marketplace, specifically focused on nano and micro influencers. And Chirply, which is a great name by the way, Chirply will provide marketers with the freedom to act fast and efficiently thanks to the possibility of a one-click marketing bomb. And of course, this will be much cheaper, much less capital needed for you to actually do this because again, there's no middleman. Now, believe me, I've been advising and consulting crypto companies since 2017. I've been on board of directors. I was a CMO of multiple companies. This, what you're looking at right here, is huge. And if you are a crypto investor, you can actually invest in this as well. So it's a double whammy. Double whammy. Ain't no party like a crypto factor party, baby. So let's talk a little bit more about this. First of all, Chirply is very easy to join. I'm actually going to do that live with you in just 1 second. Second of all, they prompt you to think bigger. By enabling end-to-end automated, adaptive, data-driven micro-influencing campaigns through AI and machine learning, this will give you the advantage over your competition. And lastly, you can monetize your influence. So essentially, this is an all-in-one, fully automated peer-to-peer influencer marketplace, specifically focused on nano and micro influencers, ensuring the best engagement available. Remember what I told you about engagement earlier on? This is it.
I'm telling you, this is it.
I'm actually signing up to this myself. This is very interesting here. And by the way, if you are a crypto company or agency, make sure you check out my other YouTube channel, Crypto Marketing Coach. It's all about the business side of crypto marketing. Very different to this channel you're watching here, the Crypto Factor. And essentially, I provide business one-to-one. But go check it out, you'll see, or go to cryptofactor.net, check out my website and see what I could do for you. So Chirply has AI matching, and basically through artificial intelligence and machine learning, influencer and marketer will be paired to perfection. Over time, of course, because it's machine learning. It takes time, but I'm sure you've seen AI right now. It does crazy things. So I'm actually excited for this. So it's paired to perfection, matched like never before, tailor-made as nowhere else. There's end-to-end automated campaigns. They are data-driven, constantly refined and adapted to improve reach and impact, lifting results and effectiveness to dizzying heights. Dizzying heights. I like that. I don't think I've ever heard that before. To dizzying heights. I wonder if AI actually wrote this. It's actually quite good, by the way. You can join Chirply right now and start earning today. We're actually going to do this together in just 1 second. And right here, you can see their media kits, team and partners, their token, and roadmap. Let's go through this very quickly. Here you have their media kits, which you could download. We're not going to look at this right now. You have their team and partners. So you have their CEO over here, Job ter Horst, their LinkedIn profile. You can check it out. Bart Stemkens, which is their growth hacker, basically a marketing analyst or marketing director or manager, Ralph de Groot, which is also a growth hacker, and Paulo Lopez, which is a TikTok guru. And you have more members of the team over here as well. You have Leon van Maldegem, you have Leon here, which is a filmmaker, their LinkedIn profile, and Dylan Mays, the creative marketer. Now, I urge you to check this out. I urge you to go to LinkedIn, check out their profiles, do a Google search, put it in ChatGPT-4, see if it's all legit. I'm going to leave that to you. You have to learn to do your own research. I keep screaming about doing your own research. I'm not going to do it right now. You're going to have to do that on your own. So don't be lazy. Go ahead and do that. It says it's trusted by various companies over here. You can verify these if you reach out to them. And of course, their call to action to launch the app today. If we want to check out their token over here, you can check this out. There is a focus on marketing, as I would hope there would be. Using their token, you receive 50% discount if you're using this model over here. And of course, Chirp, their token, here's the utility of the token, which makes sense if you're a business or I guess someone investing in this in hopes it will go up so you can make profit. And of course, you have their roadmap, which you can check out in your own time and see what's going on. Beautiful website, by the way. I have to admit, this website is very, very nice. You can check out all their socials down here. And of course, there's also staking over here. So you can actually stake Chirp if that tickles your pickle. Tickles your pickle. I like that.
I'm Pickle Rick!
So let's launch this app and see what it's like together. All right, first thing you want to do is you want to sign up. So we're going to sign up right here. And we're going to sign up with our Web3 wallet. You can also do your email address, social account, whatever. I'm just going to do Web3 wallet here. I'm going to use MetaMask. Account 1, they want to see your address, account balance, activity, and suggest transactions to approve. That's fine. So we did that. Let's log in and let's sign in with our Web3 account. Welcome to Chirply. We sign that. And you're in. Very easy. Now here, you want to select social platforms you want to be active on. So for example, you can select Twitter or X here. Let's go next. You can connect your Twitter here and so on. We're not going to do this right now. Let's skip for now. After you answer a few questions, you're taken to your dashboard right here. At the top here, you can select if you are an influencer or brand. So here you can start your campaign, and if you're an influencer, obviously you could do the same. I'm going to cancel this for now, but here you could actually be an influencer, so you can actually get tasks and get sponsorships and so on. By the way, if you are not an influencer or KOL or agency or project, this dashboard may not interest you. But if you want to invest in this project, it's an AI crypto play. It's an AI cryptocurrency play, which is actually the narrative for this bull market. And this is a project that's very, very needed. I'm going to buy this myself. And the way to do that, you could do that on Uniswap, where you would select Chirp over here. You would go to Uniswap over here, select Ethereum, select Chirp, and just swap into it. Or you can go to ApeSwap over here and actually swap from BNB or some other BNB coins over here, which is probably much cheaper. And you can also do it on PancakeSwap, either with BNB or USDT. You just click swap and that's it. And then you just click this little fox to add it to your MetaMask if you're doing it on MetaMask. It's actually very simple. If you don't know how to do this, I have a video, I'll link it in the description down below, on how to use PancakeSwap and Uniswap to convert any coin. It's extremely easy. Go check out that video if you haven't done it before. Now, I do recommend you follow them on Twitter. I'm already following them. I actually think this project's going to do very well, by the way. And if you check out this latest tweet, well, not latest, it's actually in May, but you can actually see that Chirply is exploring world-known Web2 realms, aiming to work with Sony Music, Warner, HelloFresh, and so on. Now, they have already survived a bear market. Their token actually survived the last bear market, so they've been around, they've been building, so this is actually a big plus. And it is a low market cap play, so it's low in market cap, so it has a lot to go to the upside, and I think it will when AI starts running again. Now, if we look at the charts here, they actually go back pre-November 2022, and you can see they had quite a bit of a run in May in 2023 and in March in 2024. Now we're sitting around 0.0059, but I do believe they're going to retest these all-time highs and possibly break it, go into blue sky breakout and price discovery. And because it's such a low market cap, this thing could go really, really high. It's available on MEXC, which is awesome. That's where I'm going to be buying it for now. And Bybit, which is a reputable crypto exchange. Listen, I've been in marketing, sales, and consumer psychology for over 25 years, and I've been in crypto since 2017. And believe me when I say marketing is key. And there's no denying that AI is a main narrative of this bull market, probably the next bull market, and probably from now on. Everyone is using AI. All companies outside crypto are using AI. Call it Chat GPT and versions of it. AI is being implemented in everything you do, from MailChimp to ConvertKit to Hyros to anything you do, they're implementing AI. AI is here to stay, especially online. And anybody that does not use AI will become obsolete. It's over for them because everybody that utilizes AI will have the advantage. It's simple. And Chirply is the first company that I have seen implement marketing and AI in crypto. This is trend stacking. We've been talking about trend stacking so much on this channel, both as a business model and as an analysis protocol. You have a trending product or narrative, another trending product or narrative, you combine them together, put your innovation or something on top that doesn't exist, and you have a winner. Now, does that mean that Chirply is a winner? Does that mean it will make massive amounts of profits? And the answer is likely yes, but anything can go wrong. This thing could go to shit tomorrow and you might lose everything. You never know what happens. It's the wild, wild west out there.
Why don't you shut up?
You shut up.
But if you are investing in crypto, if you believe marketing is key, which it is, and you like Chirply, you think Chirply will do well, which I think it will, I think this could be a great addition to your crypto portfolio. And if you're a KOL or a company, I think this is something that you could use for your business. Go check out Chirply. I'll leave a couple of links down below in the description. And again, if you are a crypto marketing company or a crypto project, check out my other channel. It's called Crypto Marketing Coach. I'll leave it linked in the description down below as well. And make sure you watch this video right here next. You're gonna watch this video, you're not gonna wanna miss it.